My name is Mark Dixon. My position here at OAS is apprentice trainer. I started off in electronic systems as a young man and developed a skill set into design and production engineering, and worked in various research projects and aerospace and defence. Became a trainer by accident. A lot of my career I've spent looking for the interesting contracts, the interesting projects to build both my career and my expertise. And during a period where I was waiting for the next contract to start, I got an opportunity to do some teaching in a classroom. And then from there, everything changed for me. I realised that's what I should have been doing from the start of my career. Since joining OAS, I've been given an opportunity to develop further, and also with the equipment that I've been provided and resources that I've given and put into my classroom has enabled me to develop those skills way beyond anything I could have imagined. What's been really fulfilling about it is watching the young people who've come into my classroom with an open mind, willing to learn, their hunger to learn, giving them the opportunity to take that energy and turn it into a developed skill set and watch them become confident and have hopefully a significant impact on their careers, their companies and the local community. Finding out that I've been named in the top 100 manufacturers for 2024 has been a surprise and an honour. I work really hard, but you're seeing my face, you don't see the 20, 30 people standing behind me, the people that enable me to do this. I step in a classroom on my own, but I don't do it without the support of the whole of it, OAS at my back, and MTC as an organisation enabling me to have that significant impact on my learners.